welcome to the last part of this video where I'm just going to say that, as I said before, I'm going to be desoldering these things and connecting this cool bit of machinery to different batteries to see what might happen. And as you can see here, it says plus on this side and minus on that side. And I think that's quite important because you don't want to do that incorrectly and you fry all kinds of batteries or, cause nefarious things to happen, which we don't want. We want to be safe. So again, kids, don't try this at home, but I hope this video was instructional, educational, and useful to you guys. You guys got to learn what it's like inside one of these battery banks, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Take care, guys. Learn new things and educate yourself, because that's the one thing people can't take away from you. See you on the next one.
Likey.